Hi everyone. Okay, I am back. We had a great vacation and I am so looking forward to opening up all of my kits. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait. I have them all sitting right here. So I cannot wait. Okay, so let's see what we got this month. Woohoo! This is so excited. I love this company. So let's see what we get. I'm sure you guys have all seen the reveals and stuff and people's unboxings, but I really wanted to see. Okay, so let's get started. Die cuts. Oh, let's see what we get. We have these. It's lemons and tags. Summer themed. Relax. Oh, I love that. So that's one. Oh, these are nice. Okay, let me open them and show you exactly what they are. Those are awesome. So these are chipboard shapes, kind of like the well, not kind of, but they are like the last ones we got last month, where they were speech bubbles that were chipboard. So to hear them, that's the chipboard. That's awesome. Let's see. You get a lot of those too. And then, oh, epoxy shapes. So you get hearts, dots, flowers, and then it repeats. So you get a ton of them. Awesome. Then you get, oh, look, oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. And I don't even know if I can open it. Oh, I did. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Oh, you know what? Let me put them in a different container. Let me put them in this container. And then I'll bring it up. Look how cute these are. Let me show you. Look at. You see that? They're little lemons. Lemon sprinkles. How cute are those? That is awesome. Totally awesome. It's like a one-time use though if you want to make a shaker. A little shaker thing. So cute. Okay, and then we have, oh, I love their chipboard letters, alphabets. Chipboard alphabets. Whoops, hold on. Potential spam. Jeez. Don't they know I'm filming? I didn't expect anyone to call, so. Oh, look at all the numbers you get. Holy wow, plus I just forgot. It's been a while, and I'm so excited to film this that I just, yeah. Ooh, these are called charms, and I think they're rubber pieces. Let's open and find out. Oh, they are. I love their rubber pieces. They're so neat. Let me see if I can see that better. Those are rubber pieces. Oh, so neat. I'm almost ready to do another TN flip through. So, I'm so almost ready. I'm so excited about that too. Just, everything is so awesome, you guys. Life is awesome. Okay, layered stickers. Oh, these are neat. Oh, these are so neat. Oh, like, and they have, do you see the dimension on them? They're like puffy. Awesome. Oh gosh, you got a lot. You got a total package here. And you get 3x4 cards. They're always one-sided. One-sided? Yeah, that's right. Details. Summer. My little journal. She shows you what she does when, does she do Felicity Jane or Citrus Twist? I think she does all of it, but she shows you how she uses them. When they have like that summer, she doesn't use them as a full card sometimes. She'll only use the sentiment. And that's cool. Oh, I love that. A built-in tag. I love tags. They're just so fun. Oh, look, and you can totally cut this out. Fussy cut that, and you'll have two pieces. That's awesome. I'm getting inspired, you guys. And this is the stamp set we get. Now this kit, I believe, is $48. It might be $45, $40. Okay, it's between $43 and $48. I always think I need to write it down, and then I forget because I get a lot of kits, so I forget how much each one is. But I usually try and write it down. Let's see. This is, I love this because this is an extra, added extra little thing. I love that. You just cut it out, cut this piece out. You can even use this strip up here. So neat. And then here you go. Oh, this is really, really pretty. You can fussy cut this. So I decided I'm not going to cut down all the papers into TN size, because sometimes I see a lot of people fussy cut these when they're doing their 12 by 12s, and I'm like, that is such an awesome idea. And I love the branding strips on the back. They always have a decorative design. And I thought, you know what, I need to stop doing that, cutting them down, because sometimes I may want to just fussy cut. And I'm like, okay, I can do that. That'll work. Oh, look at Adventure Play, and then look at the branding strip. I love the colors too. Colors are so fun. What's nice about being on vacation is you come back and, you know, it means like a week has gone by, or a week and a half has gone by, so now you're closer to the first, and you're closer to more reveals. And oh, this has a stripe. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that or not. I can't see it on camera, but maybe it'll show up. Oh, look how pretty. That's one big happy white space right there. That's cool. A little dotted branding. Oh, look at the hearts. The hearts are so fun. Love that. And you get the black and whites. Sunshine, hello. Hello, sunshine. The lemons. I love that. Yeah, I love all their stuff. Their stuff is amazing. So you always get 2 solid designs with the scallops on the bottom. Then you flip it over and you get 2 more designs. Usually like a bright and a mellow. So that's cool. Okay, so that was this month's kit, July's kit. Ooh, I can't wait, because, yeah, it's already, what, the 18th? Oh, that means, yeah, we're closer. All right, guys, so we'll see you all next month. I hope you dig this kit. I sure as heck do. All right, guys, take care. Bye.